This is Dr. Arpana Chaturvedi from the Department of Information Technology. The subject which I am taking is Artificial Intelligence. In this, we will talk about Unit 4, that is learning. So basically, what do you understand by learning? So we will talk about various artificial intelligence scientists who have already mentioned the definition of learning, and what they said that learning denotes changes in the system that are adaptive in the sense that they are enable the system to do some task or task drawn from some population more effectively the next time. It has been said by Simon in 1983. So what he is saying that the system which is adaptive to the changes and always able to perform effectively next time from the previous time on the basis of whatever conclusions the system has been drawn. So the system is learning, he is adaptive to the changes, he is sensing that what all things are lacking earlier and what all improvement can be done to give the better result in comparison to the result which is being given earlier. Similarly, Minsky in 1985 said that learning is making useful changes in our minds. Whereas Michalski said in 1986 that learning is constructing or modifying representation of what is being experienced. Whatever experience machine is experiencing every time, from that machine is constructing itself to perform a better result, to give a better result, can modify the representation on the basis of its earlier experience. As we people do, if suppose one time we get failed in performing some task, so on the basis of our experience we next time be careful about those all things and we learn from our experience and modify the changes in our working system to give the better result. So here we are talking about learning, in a sense machine learning, how machine learn. We are talking, we are doing artificial intelligence. So here whatever I am saying with respect to the machine, that how machine learns and comparing the learning we human being do. Michel in 1997 said that a computer program learns if it improves its performance at some task through its experience. Similarly, Michel in 1997 said this also, that learning modifies the agent's decision mechanism to improve performance. Whatever decision earlier machine has taken, if next time that decision is being implemented in much more improved way, the version is improved version, the agent has changed the decision to give the better result, then we say that yes, learning enables itself to modify its own decision to improve the performance. So here, according to Herbert Simon, what he said, that learning denotes changes in a system that enable a system to do the same task but in much more efficient manner. Similarly, Arthur Swemel states that machine learning is basically the subfield of computer science that gives computer the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. There is no interference in between. On the basis of the past experience machine has experienced, on the basis of its observation, the machine is learning itself. The instructions are not being given in the form of set of instructions. The instructions are not being programmed, whereas machine is learning by itself on the basis of its experience, on the basis of its observation, on the basis of advice and all. So in 1997, Michel also proposed that a computer program is said to be learned from experience E, with respect to do some task T and performance measure P. If its performance at task T is measured by P improves with the experience E, then we say that machine has learned something to give the better performance. So this is what is being said by Michel in 1997. So the main purpose of machine learning is to study and design the algorithm that can be used to produce the predicates from a given data set, because now you have already learned knowledge representation, and in the knowledge database we give some data set in the form of predicates. From those all predicates, from those all facts, this machine learning is having this ability to design its own algorithm so that they can produce better result from the same data set and from the experiences. Besides this, machine learning includes agents percepts for acting as well as to improve their future performance. So in simple language, we say that learning is defined as a specialized form of knowledge acquisition, because machine is every time acquisition the knowledge, gaining the knowledge in different ways, whatever the ways are over there, like learning by experience, learning by example, learning by observation, learning by advice. So learning is basically a very special form of acquiring the knowledge from different ways. Learning is constructing and modifying representation of what is being experienced. If we talk about the difference between intelligent agent and learning agent, what is that? That the intelligent agent works on the basis of only and only information given by programmer while making a program, while doing programming a particular agent. Whereas learning agent is having some other capabilities also, learning capabilities also. It tries to learn from the past experiences and observation. Learning modifies the agent decision mechanism to improve performance. We know that adding human intelligence in machine is artificial intelligence. To solve any problem, machine usually uses some facts, fact 1, fact 2, fact 3 and number of facts, and concludes on the basis of rules generated from those facts. Same is being fed to the machine, and it works on the basis of knowledge acquisition as well as learnings from various ways. So that is why we say that learning denotes changes that enable system to do some task effectively next time. And as Michel has already defined, that the computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to perform some task T to give some performance P, and in case this performance P has been get improved to perform the same task on the basis of experience E, then we say that the machine is learning. You will better understand over here that there are 6 components of learning, and the 4 are the core components. What are those? Performance element, learning element, critics and problem generator. Whereas sensors and actuators are also the components of learning agent. As shown here in the picture, this is the environment from where the machine is perceiving something, getting the input, and we are getting output also in the environment only. Now, whenever any sensor perceive any input in the form of sensing or in the form of some predicates, in the form of some questions, some queries, then there will definitely be going to have a critic play its role, because whenever some input is given, there is a performance element who has to perform, fine, who has to perform and give better performance. This performance can get better only and only when learning element suggests some changes to perform better, and this learning element will be going to give the suggestions to the performance element to give effective result as an action, as an output to the environment when it gets a feedback. And this feedback you will be getting on the basis of some performance standard to perform any task in a much more better way, in an effective way, in an efficient manner. There is a certain performance standard which is set. If a particular processing is not fulfilling a particular standard, then there will be a critic, there will be a feedback, and will be given a feedback that this performance can be made better because it is lacking here or here or here. Fine. So those suggestions will be given by learning element to make changes in the performance element. If those changes are being get implemented and their performance is being modified, then definitely the action will be better in comparison to the previous performance. And here, whenever this feedback is got get received by the learning elements, then learning elements suggest the changes on the basis of some goals which are being generated in the form of new ideas or new, you can say, situations, or new you can say suggestions with the help of problem generator. So problem generator generates or gives some new ideas to the performance element. This performance element perform, or you can say implement those ideas, gain the knowledge from the learning element only. After gaining this knowledge, make some changes and give the better performance with the help of effectors to the environment. And this is only written over here, mentioned over here one by one. What is that? The performance element or component. The performance element is the agent that acts in the world. It perceives and decides on external actions which are coming to it through sensors. It has a collection of knowledge and procedures to decide the next action, like what to do, whether to walk or turn or to sit or to draw, or any whatever movement, whatever action is being suggested. It performs tasks assigned to it. Task is performed by choosing appropriate actions that need to be taken to solve that task, and it selects the external action from the environment through sensors only. So this is one of the component, performance element, who is performing the job. Through learning element, it is going to improvise its performance. So learning element is the another component which is responsible for making improvements, takes knowledge about performance element from the feedback given by critics. It takes the feedback from the critics and modifies the performance element accordingly, gives suggestions to make changes. It is the main component which acquires knowledge, makes some changes or improvement to the system depending on its previous performance. It is responsible for making improvements by observing the performance and will try to make changes based on the previous performance only. Whereas if we talk about critic plays a very important role. It provides the learning element with information on how well the agent can do, how the agent can perform better, how can agent be fulfilling the performance standard, because there is certain performance standard. If the task which is performing is follows or obeys that performance standard, so we say that the output is brilliant or up to the standard. So it gives feedback to the learning system or learner component. It determines the outcome of performance element or actions. After determining the outcomes of actions, it gives feedback that where more changes are required to be done, determines the outcomes of actions with respect to the fixed performance standard only. For every task which a machine is doing, there is a performance standard which is being set. So if they are not following that, then accordingly the feedback will be going to get generated. Then problem generator. Problem generator, this component suggests problems or actions that will generate new examples or experience that help the system to train further. It provides the performance element with new suggestions, new actions to take. It suggests problem or actions that would lead to generate new examples to improve learning. It only suggests new cause of actions or new ideas or situations for betterment only, for better actions only, for performed actions only. It is the main component that will make the agent keep on learning, because once you keep on suggesting new ideas, it keep on learning itself for improvisation. Sensors play a role to give the input which it takes from the environment, sense from the environment, and actuator or effectors will carry out with the actions and give the output to the environment, which is always the better output in comparison to the previous one. If we talk about components of performance element, it performs direct mapping from conditions on the current state to action. Information about the way of the world evolves around it. Information about the result of possible actions the agent can take also evolve here. Utility information indicating the desirability of world states are also one of the component of performance element. If we talk about learning element, designs of a learning element is affected by which all components of the performance element are to be learned to give better result. what feedback is available to learn these components, what representation is used for the available components. And if we talk about types of feedback, it's for supervised learning, correct answer for each example. For unsupervised learning, correct answers are not given. For reinforcement learning, some rewards or penalty are over there which we learn when we learn types of learning. Learning agents always predict or decide the result state for an action. To know the values for each state, whether it is low or high, you can come to know from here. To keep record of relevant percepts are also a part of learning agent. And in this, if we talk about example, let's take the example of automated taxi on city roads. In case of automated taxi on city roads, the performance element consists of knowledge and procedures for driving some actions like when to take turn, when to accelerate, when to brake, other performance elements on road. Learning elements formulates the goal like learn rules for braking, when to put brake, when to accelerate, when to learn the geography of the city, where to, because the automated taxi has to move to the destination, so should be able to learn the geography of the city also, that which place is lying where, in which direction and how far it is. Critics observe the world and passes information to the learning element like what to do, quick right turn is over there, across 3 lanes of traffic, observe reaction of other drivers, etc. And problem generator always try South City Road to just let the taxi reach to the destination in a much more safer and quicker way. There is another example which is very close to you, that is internal exam of students. When we talk about internal exam of student, the performance element is student, because student has to perform, give the better result. So teacher guides you to perform better and to make changes in your result to give better performance. You uses knowledge and guidance given by teacher, but ultimately who has to perform better? Student. So student is a performance element. Learning element, teacher is a learning element who checks your test sheet and give you mark on the basis of performance, tell you where you can do better, what is the performance standard on the basis of which you will be going to get graded, and to reach to that performance standard, what all improvements are required. Critics always tell you that you are not matching the performance standard. These are the areas where you are lacking. So to give the better result in the internal examination, you have to follow those all guidelines and you have to achieve those all grade, and for that you have to perform on which all particular areas where you are lagging behind. On the basis of learning elements and critics found through learning element, problem generator always be going to suggest you new ideas for betterment, tell you that how you can improve, what are the ways to get quicker and better result in the test, or what to do to just score good marks within the stipulated time. So this is the another example, and this is all about learnings. In next class, we will talk about various types of learning. Have a nice day. Thank you.